So today is National Pigs in a Blanket Day. So I thought I would make some pigs in a blanket and show you how simple and easy it could be. So I'm going to show you our ingredients that we need first. First, we need some mini hot dogs, some biscuits, and a greased baking tray. Our next step is going to preheat our oven. So I'm going to press bake, and then we need it for 350, and then I'm going to press start. Start with taking our biscuit, and you're going to make it nice and flat. Okay, when you get it flat, you don't need the whole biscuit for each hot dog because each hot dog is very little. So you're gonna cut it into pieces, and then you're gonna take your hot dog and you're gonna roll it in the dough. Just like that. And then you wanna make sure the opening is on the bottom, and then you're gonna place it onto your tray. And you're gonna repeat. And you're gonna roll. Just like that. And put it onto the tray. Now you're gonna do this until all the hot dogs are used or you have no more dough left. Okay, so when you have them all on your tray and your oven is preheated, you're going to put them into the oven. And then you are going to set your timer on the oven for between 10 and 15 minutes. So I'm going to put mine on for 12 and I'm going to check them. And then I'll see if when they're brown, that's when you take them out. Timer goes off. You're going to take them out of the oven. Be careful, it's very hot, so if you need adult support, that's fine. And then when they're brown like that, that's when you know they are done. And then you're going to grab a plate and put a couple on, and then go enjoy. Happy National Pigs in a Blanket Day!